Hey guys, in this video, we are going to be checking out the best Dolby Atmos soundbar in this year. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I have listed them based on quality, durability, price, and more. I have included options at several price points, so no matter your budget, we will have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. At number 1. Samsung HW-T450 Soundbar. The smart sound feature of this soundbar works by detecting what a viewer is watching and then adjusting the sound settings to provide the best audio output. It comes with a remote control that can control both the soundbar and a TV from the same manufacturer to eliminate the hassle of multiple remotes. Thanks to the game mode, users can enjoy a high-quality gaming experience with optimized directional sound for a more immersive experience. The option of using a wireless surround kit enables the upgrade of this soundbar to produce a surround sound system wirelessly while eliminating wire clutter. At number 2. Nebula Soundbar. Connect multiple devices using any of the various options available on this device, including Bluetooth, HDMI, aux, and optical connections. It comes with the Alexa voice assistant built in, and a voice remote ships with the soundbar with a microphone to easily recognize voice commands. The soundbar supports 4K HDR picture quality and has a Fire TV 4K streaming media player built in for the best entertainment experience. This gives users access to platforms like YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video, and more. The 2.1 channel design of the soundbar combines 2 subwoofers and 2 speakers to produce a cinematic sound that fills the room. What can you say about our first 2 products? If you have comments or questions, then just leave them in the comment section and we will attend to them immediately. There are more products on our list, so you will still have more choices to come. If you are not yet a subscriber of our channel, then please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to press on the bell icon to get an instant notification of when I upload a new video. Now, let's continue.
you.